this last plug. I did this one here. That one's done, and this is metal container. So I got inside here, I got flexible conduit that goes from one plug to another. And then there's like a clamp in here that holds the wires into the outlet. So the last video I did, the radio was up too high, you couldn't hear anything I was saying. So first of all, that's a little long, so we're gonna cut some of this off. Leave it about 6 inches out. I like to leave about 5, 6 inches. That's good. Because when you tuck your wires in, you want to do a little kink like that. So you ground, you strip that back as far as it'll go. As far as up near the box you can, because that's going to be exposed anyway. Normally you would twist that to the wire, other ground wire, green ground, and then your neutral, white neutral. Strip those about 1 inch back. Give them about a 1 inch strip. You hear that over my radio, and then so on the neutral side, you want to turn that clockwise. So we want to turn that clockwise. Give it a clockwise twist, about a 180 degree. The ground or the hot side, which is black, you want to turn that counterclockwise. You're looking at it from this way, be counterclockwise. You know, one going down and one going up. So yeah, now you grab your plug. There's my plug. I left my plug in the box. Right here. So you can do your ground first, doesn't matter. Give your ground a twist too, also just like the neutral, so it goes down. I like to leave more of a tail on that one. You see why? Grab your drill. This is a number 1 Robertson square drive, so it fits right on there. So you want to put the wire around the screw, like I said, in a clockwise direction. So when you tighten the screw down, it tightens the wire around the screw, just like that. Beat it around too. And I like to take my ground and squeeze the wire around the ground like that. There we go. And then the black, which is the hot. Normally on a 12 volt, black would be ground, but it's not. Black is hot. So you want to do the same thing. Wrap that around the screw the way the screw is turning. This top screw interferes with the clamp that's behind this wall. So I like to take the screw out. This has a 632 hole for the screw to shorten the screw down. So I like to cut some of that off, about half of that screw. Cut half that screw off. And unscrew it, cleans the threads off. Put your plug, try to tuck your wires in. Do like I'd like to do like one or two kinks inside there. Put your short screw on the top. That's where the clamp is. On the back side. And then you put your long screw at the bottom. So the only thing I didn't do on this one versus the other one is the grounds, the two green wires normally would twist the grounds together. So that one didn't have only had one ground. So I didn't twist it together. So that's how you do it. Did all 7 of them here. So that's the last of the plugs. So anyway, that's it. Yeah, you can see I got all these plugs done over here. That one, there's one there, and last one there.